Capo here with my buddy Eric Tate, and today we're talking about Gregory Wilson's Fistful of Dollars. It's an incredible coin routine where you can produce 3 silver dollars at your fingertips and then make all 3 of them disappear.
I don't believe you. Just do it. If you can really produce 3 silver dollars at your fingertips.
Of course, well, you have to have the trick, obviously.
Oh, okay. Well,
what we do is at your fingertips, you just give it a little snap, get the attention, and you can get a giant silver coin.
that is a fantastic production.
It is a great production,
Yeah.
right? But you don't just get 1, you can get 2.
What?
Right? And it is just 2 coins. Should we go? We'll go for 3. Get a little greedy here as well.
Ooh, I like
So that is a 1, 2, and 3 silver dollars. Watch. We'll take 1. If I squeeze it, you can see it disappear,
Oh, that's a great vanish.
leaving me with just 2. Right? Watch this one. See this go? You didn't see it?
No.
This is me doing the Gregory Wilson thing. You didn't see it go to my pocket.
No, I didn't see it.
Yeah, because what I did is I snuck it in my pocket when you weren't looking. Right? Watch the last one.
Mm-hmm.
Watch close. You're watching way too close.
Yeah, it's
Watch. Totally gone, right? It's not my pants, pocket, shirt, chest, whatever. Do the Gregory Wilson stuff. Anyway,
that's solid.
great routine, right?
Yeah, that's solid. Like, it's interesting because when you're doing it, I sort of know what to look for because I have experience with the routine as well. But even from a number of like what you would consider the bad angles, it's pretty well covered.
Oh yeah, I mean, there's almost.
Yeah.
This is something that I've done quite a bit. I've done it at a lot of close-up walk-around gigs.
Yeah.
Because it is. I mean, I'm basically reset to do it again. You know, just right out of my pockets. There's a minor setup at the top, but other than that, well, let's talk about what you're going to get.
Yeah, let's get into this because this is the packaging that it comes in. It's a nice little tin, and then inside of the tin there is a little card with the instructions on it so that you can find out exactly how to get these detailed instructions for the routine from Gregory Wilson. And you get a couple of props as well. Let's talk about the props.
Yeah, you're going to get a couple coins. So 2 coins, which will match, and of course a 3rd coin, which is a gimmick. It's a shell. It's a coin shell. So, you know, if you're familiar with what a shell is and you already have, this is what's great, is if you already have a dollar shell, you can just simply choose to get the download instructional video as opposed to the full kit, right? Because it's basically the same thing.
Yeah, and we should say any shell will work. This is not a shell that was specially made for Fistful of Dollars. You can do this with, currently there are both dollar size and half dollar sizes available, but if you wanted to use your own, perhaps you use silver coins and silver shells, it'll work with those as well. There's nothing extra special about the shell, just makes it more convenient to get it if you don't already have one.
Yeah, the shell's great, the one that it comes with.
Yeah.
I actually really like this shell. I've used it for other things as well. So really what you're going to get on the instructional video is Gregory's handling of this routine.
It's a great handling, a wonderful production, and then a wonderful handling of, essentially you're handling only 2 coins and the gimmick, making it look like 3 coins, which is an exceptionally deceptive way to handle a routine like this.
This snap production is so striking, and you're going to really love learning it. I believe it's a Michael Rubenstein idea that when Greg saw it, he was just like, okay, I know where to put this, and he saw the whole routine from there. And funny enough, like if you follow Gregory's work like I do, you'll find if Split Focus, which is another product that you can find here on Penguin Magic, I've seen the evolution of like all of his moves, because like this is basically split focus without the $200 split focus gimmick.
Yeah.
So that if you've been wanting to get into something like this and you don't want to spend a ton of money, first of all, if you have a shell,
Set to
great.
go.
Good to go. Grab this. But otherwise, if you don't have a shell, this is a great routine to pick up and learn.
And I think we should talk a little bit about the construction of the routine in the sense that it's not terribly difficult to do.
No.
There are some moves that will take some practice. This is not something where the gimmick is doing all of the work for you. But that production, I was able to learn it in 20, 30 minutes of practice and get it looking pretty good. A lot of the secret moves that you're doing to display only a couple of coins when you really have more than that are very, very simple, really, really straightforward, and the routine is motivated as well.
Yeah, it's really, there's sleight of hand here, but it's really just more of a memorization of the sequences that you have to do, because none of it is terribly difficult, and the shell does help out a lot.
If someone was coming to me and saying I wanted to begin adding more advanced coin magic to my repertoire, how would I get into that? What is the lowest barrier for entry? I'd say Fistful of Dollars is the way to go. It's not exactly a beginner trick, but it's definitely not super difficult.
It's rewarding.
Yeah.
It's really rewarding to learn. The things that you're going to learn in here translate to all sorts of other stuff. Plays nice too. It plays up here, right? You start with nothing, you produce 3 things, and then you end with nothing. I mean, what's better than that?
Yeah. Fistful of Dollars by Gregory Wilson. You should check it out.